Led the coverage of the case of Christopher Jordan, where an FMPD detective shot and killed Jordan, saying he had a gun, even though an investigation never found one. At that moment, the NAACP went after the state attorney for not pressing charges, even calling her a racist. Wink News reporter Ashley French joins us now live. So Ashley, what did the organization decide to do today?
Well, Taylor and Russ, after speaking to the Lee County NAACP chapter president, he said that pretty much that he had felt incredibly ill, just pretty much due to health issues that he was battling with for the past few months. And he also says that also with the state attorney with the state attorney's decision of not overruling, or pretty much, state attorney's decision to not change her final ruling in the Christopher Jordan case, but now with the president, or the NAACP president, now back and also in full health, he plans to now continue to seek justice and for the Christopher Jordan family. The days of the NAACP protesting outside State Attorney Amira Fox's office in hopes of changing the ruling in the Christopher Jordan case is now taking a different turn.
No, we don't want Mr. Jordan's death to go in vain. It was totally preventable. There's some good to be brought forth if we have willing participants.
The president of the Lee County NAACP chapter says the good focuses more on changing the divide between law enforcement and the black community.
We believe that we can bridge the divide. We're willing to work with her. Will she work with us?
The request James is asking is a call to action between all law enforcement agencies and State Attorney Amira Fox.
We need Sheriff Marcino, Chief Fields, Chief of Cape Cod, Chief of Sanibel, and others all over Southwest Florida that's in the 20th Judicial Circuit, as she calls us, to meet with them to identify potentially dangerous officers who want to hurt and maim suspects, especially blacks.
James is also requesting for more accountability.
She promised that she would come to the black community upon completing the investigation. She's yet to do that. Well, I'm not ill anymore. Reach out to us. This is a time where it's teachable. This is not a time to make it go away and nothing's been done to make sure it doesn't happen again.
Yes, and during my interview with James, along with other members of the NAACP chapter, he says he plans to send a letter to the state attorney's office with that request today in hopes of improving the relationship between law enforcement and the black community. Live in downtown Fort Myers, I'm Ashley French, Wink News.